Hey there, today I'm showing you one more integration between event pages and Veertly using Zapier. Today is Luma. Luma allows you to create nice event pages where you can also manage guest registrations, other marketing information, and creates really nice landing pages for your event. So why not using it with Veertly as well? So you can do that using Zapier. So I have here my Luma event itself, and I have here my Veertly event. So let's start by doing this integration using Zapier. When you create a new Zap, you first need to select the trigger. So you can find here Luma, and then you need to select what is the event that will trigger this action, and it will be a new guest inside an event. You can continue. You need to log in, which I already did, to select the account. Now you can test the trigger to see if it's working. And you can see that the event is already here and the participant has been retrieved. Good. So we are good on the Luma side. Now we need to integrate here with the Veertly side. In order to do that, you need to have a webhook action, which allow you to call the allow participant in event. And this is a post method. You can get all this information by clicking on your profile and then on the API section on the top menu, and this will come to this page where you can manage your API keys and you can see the different events. The event that we are interested now is this allow guest in event. And you can copy here the endpoint URL. So let's come back here. So this is a post event. You can continue. You can put here the URL that I just copied. You can say that this is a JSON format, and on the URL you have here the different parameters that are allowed. So you have session ID, first name, last name, email, roles and tags, and the session ID and email are mandatory. So let's start by those ones. The session ID for this event, it's retrieved on your event page, which is this last part of the URL of your event, which is also here on the copied URL. So let's put it there. Then you can select the email. The email will be retrieved from Luma, which is here, for example. This is the email. And Luma doesn't distinguish between first name and last name. What we do on the Veertly side. So here you can say that the first name is just a name. Okay, so we are good on this configuration. You can keep these default settings. Also, basic authentication should be empty. And now you need to end a header. The header should be the authorization header that needs to be sent, and this should include your Veertly API key. So first you need to put bearer with a space, and you need to generate an API key. So to generate the API key, you can simply click there, generate an API key. So generate, this will create the API key that you'll be able to see down there. And this is the only time that you can see it, so just copy it and save it in a secure place and use for your integrations. You can always revoke those API keys if you no longer need to use them or if they have been leaked. Okay, good. We have this configuration done. Let's continue and try it out to see if this test participant has been added inside the event. Okay. Now it's calling the Veertly endpoint, and you can see that you have here the access link of this participant. This is a unique personal access link that you can further use on other actions on the workflow. Good. We turn on the Zap, and as this call has been done, you can see that the participant has been added here. So now my Zap is turned on. So let's try this link. Okay, this is the Luma page. I'm already connected, so let's try to log out and try without connected. Okay, I can register. Let's see. Register for this event. Good. I'm registered here, and it's important to mention that in this case, contrary, for example, with Eventbrite, this is not instant Zap. So it will run at certain intervals depending on your plan on the Zapier side. But once this is run on the Zapier side, your participant will be added there. You'll get some notification. So it's normal that the participant is not added automatically, but it will be ended up here in a few minutes depending on your plan. Good. I hope you enjoyed this new integration and it could enhance your event pages using Veertly as a platform. So really looking forward to all these Luma events running on Veertly. Thank you.